Good afternoon, it's Nola. I know this is a bit much for today, but this one has been sitting on my table that I hang up a board and then work for weeks actually on finding pieces for these particular pieces of fabric. But this one was a hard one because these are such definite colors in here. But I pulled out some things and I have enough to do 3. So I'm going to show you what I picked out. I love the silver and the bits of gold, the blue, the teal, the greens in it. It's really a lovely piece of fabric. So we're starting out with a green striped one. I don't think you can see it very well. There you go. It's fuzzies on it. So there's that. There's quite a bit of teal in here. So I've got a small piece of teal to go along with that. This green, I just pulled off the end of, you've got double pieces, or it's sewn together with what is that? A little stitch anyway. But this color goes really well with it. So then I pulled a little piece of this green out. So you can use that. This would be great for just about anything, a book or, you know, a wall hanging, anything you wanted to do. And then I found this one. This is gorgeous. And this has the mauves and the greens in it. Love this piece of fabric. So there's that one. I found some more of this. It looks like kind of weird fabric. And it is kind of weird fabric, but it's fun to add something like this to a project. So anyway, I found enough for that. Then I found this blue one, and it's got a sparkly background in it. So it's got a bit of sparkle. And then we have a real blue, looks like satin. And this is a really interesting blue. I haven't seen this blue much. But anyway, I don't know what you'd call it, but it sure is pretty. It looks more blue on screen. It looks greener when you see it in person. And then we have this piece of lace to go with it. And this lovely sparkly piece. And it's got all the colors in it, depending on which way you move it. And then we have this piece of cotton that has the colors in it. And this piece, and I don't know, this isn't satin, I don't know what it is, but it's pretty, and it's blue. So then I wanted to get some contrast, so I put in this piece of silver. I don't have a lot of this left, so there's a small piece of silver. And here's another one. This one's quite sparkly, so that should add some pizzazz to your project. Then this is a piece of silk, and it has the gold and the blue in it and a bit of gray, so it'll pull out the gold bits that are in this. And then I have another piece of gray with stripes on for you. And I have this really cool piece of greeny gold. It's green on the background, but very pretty. and looks great with this. So then I have one of these. I don't know what they're called. I'm sorry about that. But you get one of these anyway. And all right, where's the next one? And you get one of these as well. And then you get some of this beaded crocheted trim. Quite a big piece of that. This little piece of trim, I don't really know what they were going for, but you know, if you watch Roxy Car 11 at all, you'll understand how to use these pieces. And I promise I'll start doing videos soon. You get a little piece of this blue sparkle, a couple of little wedding appliques, and then a piece of green trim. And then whatever I wrap the bag up with will come with it as well. So this is the blue and green kit, and I will charge the same price for this one today. It's $23.50, and I have 3, and that is it. I won't make any more. So if you're interested, leave a message below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. And thank you all for the wonderful comments you've been giving me. I just can't believe how nice you all are. It's just been awesome. And I'm actually getting some rest and I feel better now and I don't feel so pressured to get stuff done. So things are looking up. So thank you for watching and I will be back later. Talk to you soon. Bye now.